a 10 for your birthday?
A birthday. I didn't clean this.
You sing happy birthday, Haley?
I didn't clean this.
Oh, you just pushed it again. You don't touch those doors, especially with your feet. Those are glass doors. We do not touch them, right?
Yes. Nathan the King did this.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Mommy might have hit that one. Trying to save the remote. Oh, no.
A mommy.
We'll start it where we were.
We're here in Victory Lane awaiting the race results.
Oh, no, we went too fast.
That man.
Ugh.
That man. Mommy.
Now you can dance.
That's some of my papers. Give me my papers. No.
Caleb, what kind of things are in Mimi and Papa's pond? Tell the camera. What's in there?
Turtles and cat piss.
Really?
Minty cat piss. Minty cat pants.
You do. This is the camera. Say hi, camera.
Hi, Pima.
What's your name?
And
What's your name?
I'm Bob Cutlass, here with my good friend Daryl Carteret. We're midway through what may turn out
What's
to
your
be
name?
a story.
An A.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Right you are, Daryl. 3 cars are tied for the season points lead, heading into the final race
You
of
have
the
to get
season.
new batteries.
The winner of this race, Daryl,
Say bye.
season
Bye.
and the
Say bye.
Bye, Croaky.
weather. One more victory.
You're silly.
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win their one last 15 cup?
And as always, in the second